Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix we can't find a required component to run Teams error in Windows 11. Open Registry Editor with administrative privileges. Delete key ending with 4C5. Copy URL from description and paste it. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.